A question that we're often asked is, what's the difference between an order with prejudice versus one without? Hi, my name is Peter Lamont, and I'm a business and personal law attorney practicing here in the state of New Jersey. Today I'd like to explain exactly what that difference is. Now, an order is a decision or ruling or directive coming from the court. And oftentimes you'll see an order that is termed with prejudice, and oftentimes you'll see one that says without prejudice. So what's the difference? What does it mean? An order with prejudice essentially means that you are prohibited from moving forward with that particular claim or matter. So in other words, if a motion is filed against you and it's dismissed with prejudice, that means that you can't move your case forward. You're forever barred. Now, there are times when you have the ability to file an appeal, but we're not going to talk about appeals in this video. There are limited circumstances based upon a factual analysis and your state laws. So for right now, we're going to shelve the appeal issue, and we're going to talk just about with prejudice. With prejudice means you cannot move forward. Now, conversely, an order without prejudice means that you typically can go back and fix something and then move forward with the claim. Let me give you an example. Let's assume for a minute that you file a complaint and the defendant files a motion to dismiss in response to your complaint. And they allege that you haven't properly pled your cause of action. Now, a cause of action is essentially what you're complaining about, what you believe the other party did wrong. So you go to court and the judge says, listen, plaintiff, you did not plead consumer fraud, for example, properly. There are elements of your complaint that are missing. It's a technical violation in a sense. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dismiss your complaint, but I'm going to do so without prejudice, meaning you can go back, you can amend your complaint and then resubmit it or refile it. So the takeaway here is that an order with prejudice means you cannot move forward, you're barred, and an order without prejudice means you can make a correction and move forward. Now, if you have any questions about this topic, or if you'd like to ask a general legal question, I encourage you to pick up the phone and give me a call. My telephone number is 973-949-3770, or you could reach me directly via email at plamont@peterlamontesq.com. We answer questions like yours on a daily basis, and I would be happy to personally answer your question.